Objective: add notches to the pattern pieces so they can be accurately aligned during assembly. Click the Notch button in the Tools section of the ExactFlat toolbar to open the Notch Manager. In the New Notch section, select one of the options that best suits your needs from the drop-down menu. There are two options to add notch tags: point and chain. With point selected, click New. Click on a vertex along a pattern edge to add a notch tag at that location. Notch tags get added at both the selected vertex and its neighboring vertex. Open the Notch Manager again by right-clicking and selecting Chain, then click New. This option adds a predefined number of notches along the selected edge and its neighboring edge. Change the number of notches and their spacing in the Chain Properties tab. See the Notch Manager video for more information about the Notch and Chain Properties tabs. Tip: custom notch tags can be created in the Notch Template Editor, as well as editing existing templates. Key result: notch tags are placed on all necessary seam edges